The company name is Rockbuzz. Actually, we deal with t-shirts and hoodies, all the apparel segment in Calcutta.
Okay.
We have purchased ST600 Plus, and we are planning to print on fabric, different kind of fabric like t-shirts and hoodies. Actually, previously we used to print through vinyl and some other cases screen printing. So, and we decided that we have to increase the production as well as the costing. So, gone through different vendors, and we have seen that the product that Axis is offering, that is quite lucrative and promising. And the business proposition that they are offering is quite nice, and the demos that I have seen, that is also quite promising. So that's what pricing and everything was matching with me, with my budget. So obviously I
What is
till now we have printed around 20 t-shirts, like 20 samples for t-shirts, and yeah, the quality is good as of now. The engineer who came here, he's quite supportive, and the process is like he elaborated almost all the aspects of the printer machine.